Hi there, my name's Justin Cooper. I'm the author of Marketing is Dead, Long Live Purposing. And I'd like to spend 2 minutes talking to you about a very important thing that will have a big impact on your life. If you're working, it's very important that you love what you do so you can do what you love. And also do what you love so you can love what you do. That, as obvious as that may seem, for so many people that's not the case. People are getting trapped doing the same job year in, year out when they've lost their passion for it. So my advice is to take time out, weekends, evenings, and really work out what it is that you're passionate about. It might be within the existing industry you're working in. It might be a different angle, or it might be in a completely different place. It might be in a completely new industry. But it's so important to do because the longer you carry on working at a job you hate, the worse things will get. It leads to depression, anxiety, and all kinds of other breakdowns in relationships and even your health. So as simple as this statement is, it's actually sometimes very hard to do. But if you allocate some time to it and you think about it and you really sit down and work out what it is that you're passionate about, whether it be a new industry, whether it be a new development in your existing industry, I really urge you to spend that time and take your time to really look at what it is that fires you up. Because if it's anything like me, when I got stuck doing the same thing I've been doing for 25 years, I felt like I couldn't move forward or back because I was worried about letting go of something I had experience and knowledge in. But the trouble was, the longer I kept going with that, the harder it became. And when I actually stepped into something new, it was amazing how transformative that was in terms of my happiness, but also the impact I had on others, and my effectiveness and productivity. It really is a win-win situation once you get into this situation of doing what you love and loving what you do. So if you want to have get more information about this, please jump on my website, justinjgcooper.com, and use the links to get in touch with me, because I'm here to help everyone get on track with their purpose and do the things that they love, because life really is too short to be doing a job that you hate or running a business that's no longer inspiring you. It's really important to rekindle that passion and that sense of purpose within the work that you do. Thanks for listening.